Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is June 5th, 2023, and it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And the past few years has been a tradition where I come over here, have a little day to myself, and try to do something with this car. So in today's episode, I'm just going to button up the interior. I'm not going to do a really good super cleaning of the interior, but I'm going to clean out all the other junk stuff that I don't need in there, vacuum it out, wipe some stuff down, you know what I'm saying, put the seat back in order, you know what I'm saying, put the interior pieces that I have laid out that was in the basement in my parents' house, you know what I'm saying, clean some of this up. I might not put the door card on for the driver's side because I still got to work on that side, as you can see. Boom, interior, clean up all these different things, got the vacuum out. I didn't bring my extractor because you know, my car's in the shop, so I can't really carry all that stuff on the train with me. But be that as it may, that's the plan. That's what's on the agenda for today, is making this car look like something again. So when you just look at it, even though it's in this state and I'm still waiting on those parts, cousin, I'm good to go. All right, so stay tuned. Right, so as you guys can see, this is what the interior looks like. It makes this car look like it's abandoned and it's trash. Like, now, I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first had this project, my initial thought when I was taking apart the dash, not only because I had to get, you know, the transmission swapped, but I wanted to like take the dash out, fix the broken cracks, flock it, all that other stuff like that. At this point, it is what it is. I'm not going to do that. The only thing that has me feeling a certain type of way is that I would like to change the radio eventually. And I figure, hey, it's out now, I might as well change it, but I can always pull this unit out and do that another time. I don't need to leave it looking all in shambles to, you know, get things to work. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. I still got to figure out this door lock thing because I'm missing the cylinder for this. Got the 3 pedals. You see it. You see it. As you can see, this is how the driver's seat was when I got the car. So this is not anything that I've done. This is just how it was when I got it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can take it out. Maybe see if I can take it somewhere that could like at least fix it, keep it sturdy. You don't have to really fix the leather per se. Cause I have a different plan with that. My mom is kind of nice. Well, she's not kind of nice. My mom is nice with, you know, sewing and different things like that. So I have an idea later on down the line, maybe, you know, go into the store, buying some, you know, material, having to help me, with my help, of course, you know, redo these seats and stuff like that. But that's neither here nor there. But I mainly need a driver's seat. But anyway, most of the stuff is just boxes and stuff is just loose. So like I said, once I get most of this heavy garbage out and consolidate a lot of these boxes, I get a better clear picture, and hopefully I remember how these things go back on so I can put them back and tidy up in here. So, you know, everything looks nice and pretty, man. I want to get everything looking the way it's supposed to look and secured, and really like cleaning the interior. Like I said, the next time I clean up in here, I'm going to do it with my equipment and really, like, you know, give it a nice thorough cleaning so it can smell. It don't really smell bad in there, but you know, got that old car smell. But anyway, enough of the chit chat. Just want to give you guys a kind of, okay, so here's one side. I mean, I still got stuff in the chair. I'm gonna clean that off soon, but I just wanted to show you how to vacuum it up. This is basic stuff. I'm only worried a little bit about if there's any like rodents in here, because I've seen like little like shells of like nuts or whatever on this carpet. Like I said, it's not gonna look as clean because I don't have my extractor with me. I'm just trying to like lighten it up and clean it up. I'm trying to remind myself how I put everything back together. I see some screws up here, you know what I'm saying, on the installation, the tweeter, all that, you know what I'm saying, but I don't remember. So we're gonna try to figure this out together. All this here, I gotta replace these things. I noticed that when I had the car, this is a whole bunch of blue painters tape here, so I'm assuming it was leaking. You know what I'm saying? Just look at that. Oh, look at that. Nature run its course. Running on my car. Anyway, yeah, so it's leaking there. So I'm not gonna worry about that at the moment. So far so good. As you see, there you go. This is before, this is after. So I'm about to hit the back, pause, then get to the other side, and this is what I got done so far. I cleaned up everything for the most part. I put this emergency brake cable thing back in. I'm going to refer to the book for some of the questions that I have. I did notice something, like I was touching these things. I had gloves on earlier, and I noticed some dampness in this padding. And when I lift up underneath this carpet here, is a lot of rust in there. Thankfully, it's just surface rust. It's nothing that's going to be detrimental to the car. But I think I have a leak somewhere, and eventually I might have to address that. But right now, it's just buttoning up everything. As you can see, the car looks a lot lighter, like look a lot cleaner. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the cobwebs and all of the stuff like that has already been cleaned up. So I'm going to take care of the rest of that in a minute. Right now, I just got to get something to eat. I'm starting to feel a little lightheaded and dizzy. But yeah, so far so good. Just got to clean up some more stuff. All this stuff is kind of filthy. But like I said, once I get my real cleaning supplies, I will give this car a thorough cleaning inside and out. But just to get everything back in order is what I'm doing right now. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can figure everything out and put everything back together. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I've been trying to really just get this done, and it's hard to film with my cell phone and not have a tripod or something like that. But as you can see, you know, this mapping some stuff out. I remember where those things go. This is like the bottom tray for that. This is the center console piece that I'm about to, you know, put back on there. I got this other little piece on there. I just did the dash, the glove box. Got that sealed up. So, you know, I'm figuring it all out. Have a whole bunch of screws at the top, you know what I'm saying, that I gotta address. And then, you know, once I get that done, as you can see here, boom. You know what I'm saying? I closed this up and this part was broken, so I gotta figure to get this back open because I need to get to a screw that's up here to do that. I put this back on there just to kind of feel it out, like I gotta change that head unit, but you know, Michael, let's get the car running first. All right, well, it's running, but you know, droppable, you know what I'm saying? So I hate saying running because people think that the car is not running. The car is running. As you guys saw, check out the channel, the video. I drove the car. It's just that I had leaks and a brake leak, and I fixed that. So yeah, anyway, yeah, I get the point. So this is the next step. I'm gonna see if I can position my cell phone in here where I can get like maybe some shots of me working in here. But if not, I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be like me fixing it, putting it together, showing you the different things and leaving it at that. That's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna stop for today. I'm gonna be back here. I got that on. I'm missing the wash. I had it right on that seat and fell down, so I gotta find it. But so far so good. Everything's back together. Center console could have been a little bit better, but it is what it is. Gotta figure out some of these things with this cabling and everything like that. About to start packing up and get ready to leave. Anyway, I want to thank you guys again for watching. Thank you guys for the support. You know what I'm saying? And thank you for everything.